Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When you are drilling tile, you need to make sure that your bit stays cool. If you don't, you're gonna burn out your bit really quickly. Now these bits, the one I have here is probably between $15 and $20. So the last thing we wanna do is prematurely wear out our bits. So when you're going to drill, make sure that you have water on hand. So start your bit. Now we have a small little pilot hole to go off of, and then as we drill our tile, we'll spray it with water. And just like that, we have a nice clean hole in our tile. Guys, one other thing, when you're drilling tile, stay away from the absolute edge, because if you drill too close, you're just gonna crack the tile. So in this case, this is probably about 1.5 inches off the edge, but make sure that you give yourself a little bit of space. I believe this is going to vary based on the type of tile, the thickness, and other factors, but as a general rule of thumb, stay away from the very edge here. Always make sure that you're farther over when you can help it. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.